As mentioned in the Google Drive introduction video, one of the benefits of Google Drive is its compatibility with Gmail. What this means is that it is super easy to send Google Drive files through your email. So what you'll do is hit this compose button, and this window will pop up that says new message. You'll then fill in who you're sending this email to, the subject of the email, as well as maybe include a few sentences about what you're sending and why you're sending this. To actually insert the files, you'll go down and hit this Google Drive icon. This will insert a new pop-up window that is similar to the interface of the Google Drive that we just went through. To insert a file, you just simply click on it and click Insert, and this will put the file into the text body. If you want to send multiple files that are in a row, so let's say, for example, I want to send all 4 of these files, I will go over to the first file, click on it, hold the Shift button, and click on the last file. This will select all the files in between the two. So when I click Insert, all 4 of these files would appear in my email text body. However, if you want to send multiple files that aren't necessarily right next to each other, all you'll do is, instead of holding Shift, you would either hold Command or Control. So let's say I want to insert PostLab 2 and SolarFacts. What you'll do is click on PostLab 2, hold Command, or if you have Windows, hold Control, and click on the second one. And then you can do this to add a third one or a fourth one. And then click Insert. And all 4 of these will appear in your email text body. Now, if you look down here, you can see you have a choice of sending it as either a drive link or an attachment. There really isn't a difference between the two, because no matter what you send it as, the receiver will still be able to view the file. However, if you do want to know the difference, a drive link works for any file that is stored in your Google Drive, while an attachment only works for files that aren't created by the 4 Google Drive apps. So this means if it was created on docs, sheets, slides, or forms, you can't send that as an attachment. However, if it's a PDF, an image, or a video, that can be sent as an attachment. So sending Google Drive files through email is as simple as that.